Welcome guys to the channel. Just starting out. Been a while, a long time coming. Going to give you a quick tour of the January 10th, 2022 tour of the shop under construction. Been doing a number of things to the shop. Studding. The walls were already studded out when we bought the house, but receptacles were all down low, about knee high. Couldn't stand that. Getting to be a little older, so brought all of them up to about 40 inches off the floor and insulated the walls as we go. Was going to put 7/16 OSB all around, but the box store decided that after they lowered the price a couple dollars one day to $20 a sheet, which was quite expensive. 3 days later, when I went back to get enough to do the two long walls, it was $25.50 a sheet. So we opted to go back to my original plan of the half-inch sheetrock, which is kind of wished I'd done that all along now. But shop is a 24 by 32, give or take a few inches. You see I still have this westward wall here that we've got to insulate and put the sheetrock on. So that's coming along. Long overdue. Tired of hanging insulation. That is no fun. Mask, PPE, whatever. No fun at all. So just give you a quick walk around for a first tour. Again, this is the west wall. The other back wall here is the wall. The two short walls are the ones that's going to have the OSB on them, and those will certainly get some trim, and those will be all painted. Still not sure the colors. Probably off-white. May do the ceiling white and the walls off-white. We're still trying to figure that out. Windows in here were painted shut for the most part, so I'm going to see if I can get those working, but I've got to insulate around them for now. Those may get replaced later on with some double pane windows vinyl. Just got done with a mini split install a couple days ago. Got a 18,000 BTU mini split we got off of Amazon. I'll put the links down below for these kind of things like this. 18,000 BTU. It's called an Olmo, O-L-M-O. I wish they'd changed it, called it the Elmo. That would have been cool. Maybe some graphics involved in that in the future. We'll see. But that is, so far, is a good unit. 2 days. Super, super quiet. Much quieter than the first one. I was an early adopter in that area with mini splits. I think the first one I put in our old house was 18,000 BTUs. Probably going on 12, maybe 13 years ago. The unit is still running there, even after a lightning strike. Doesn't defrost too well because of the lightning strike. The speed on the fan on the outside on the condenser doesn't go up and down, but it still runs today. The gentleman that bought the house, I told him it was long overdue for an upgrade, and he says, if it works, it works. I said, well, more power to you, brother. Have fun with that. So going on around, there's 5 windows in the upstairs here. I wish I was able to do the insulating and wallboard, and of course the ceilings need spackle. The previous owner had put the ceilings up but didn't do anything with it. So far now we've got 8 shop light type lights on the ceiling. I think they were like 2 for $25 at one of the box stores, and I got those up. Love the brightness. Not crazy about the cords, although with the cords I can isolate the different lights and have different patterns of a one's on. But I'm thinking, judging by the video and the lighting here, that may go with keep those, and I've got 2 more I might add in here once we're done. Between that and the painting, I think it'll be more than adequately bright enough in here, which will be cool for video especially. My intention is to get this done and painted up here in the next few weeks. Not sure what the floors. They are mostly plywood with some OSB on those. Probably do a plank floor in here at some point, a vinyl plank. Not quite sure yet. Haven't really got down to the nitty gritty on that. Again, here's the boxes for the Elmo. I've got a better camera that we're going to be using here shortly. I just want to get started making videos. I do maintenance consulting for a living, my primary day job. So I'm kind of used to speaking in front of people at this point now. Still not crazy about video and watching myself, and the whole editing process should be really fun in that regard. Just like listening to audio myself, hate to do it. But this is something I want to do for years, and I just decided to do it around woodworking. So just a quick frame up what we're thinking, and this is certainly going to be refined and changed over the weeks and months to come. But my plan is to post at least 1 video a week for you guys, And it's just going to be from the starting point, just like now, setting up the shop, getting it insulated, getting it painted, things we do along organization. That's another big thing I do in my day job, organization and managing workflow and those type of things. It doesn't have to be perfect, but it's bite-sized incremental improvements on the daily. Every time you do something, kind of leave it in a better condition than when you found it. Better organization, more organized as you go along. One of the things, we were in a smaller house prior to this one, and my stuff was packed up, and I'm going to tell you, that is a terrible feeling for somebody who likes to have everything to have a place and everything in its place. So for the last 10 years, I've really been in a bad way in that regard. So again, just a quick inaugural video. We want to make sure that we include you guys in the journey on this. So as we go along, please, comment and like on the videos as you see them, and watch them to let us know that it's filling a need or entertainment, if you will, because some things, I am not a woodworking professional by any means. So I'm going to post a lot of things up. It's going to be informational, a little entertainment. I can be a character at times, at least so I've been told. Maybe it won't come off on YouTube. We'll see. So yeah, definitely comment, things that you guys will see. Got a fair bit of tools that I've had over the years. Some of them, close to 40 years now. Hard to believe I'm that old. But then I have other tools that we're going to be doing a lot of unboxing videos. I have cases of stuff already. My intention was to be done with this building by now. Life has happened. I've had a lot of things going on. Work's been keeping me busy too. Probably got 6 or 7 new things we're going to open. One of them is a planer. Got a oscillating sander that I'll be unboxing. Probably going to have a router table to open yet. I'm not sure what I've already opened. I've got a number of things. So I'm going to do the unboxing videos. I've got some other tools like this DeWalt 12-inch slide saw that we'll do some talking about that. Got an old table saw we can talk about. Got a new Delta T2 saw that we'll be doing the unboxing on that. Just a number of those videos like that. We'll do the unboxing. We'll share with you. We'll make a my train of thought I lost. We'll make a sled for the table saw. We'll make some other jigs and plenty of organizational ideas and things. A lot of stuff that I've scoured the internet on. I've seen some things on YouTube that I like, but I want to make some changes to it. So as we go along, we're going to carry you guys in that journey with us. How we make improvements, how we lay out the shop. Over time, what products we make, we'll share those with you, share where we're selling them, how we're doing with it, how we're pricing things. So I know we're early on, it's the first video, but and I hate it when people say this, but hey, if you want to follow our journey, subscribe and follow along. Maybe it's for entertainment purposes. You say, hey, this guy's a clown, and so no other reason I'll watch him so I don't duplicate his mistakes. And other things, maybe it's just you find some value in. I'm hoping you will, and that's why there's going to be a two-way communication. I'll always read the comments and respond to as many as I can, but we want to make sure that we make this value added for you. That's our whole goal with being here. And then the second part for us on the side benefit is documenting our history as we go forward and build this channel and share our travels and triumphs and challenges along the way. Well, that's it for today, guys. I appreciate you joining us, and my name is Chris, and we'll be getting back with you here on the 365 Woodworks channel. Just decided on that name today too, so that was another thing. So we do have the website, 365woodworks.com. We'll be coming forward. We'll talk more about some of the things we're going to hope to offer in the future. And again, life happens. We'll make plans on how we're going to deliver this. It may take a little while in some cases. Other things may come sooner. That's usually the way it is with me. I'm a pretty aggressive person when I have the chance to make things happen. That'll probably come off in other instances. And then you'll see times where things take a drag on for days and weeks sometime, and that's life and the fact that I have a full-time job that I'm trying to maintain and keep up, and I have projects that become all engrossing at times. So we'll work through that, and then sometimes you may see videos when I'm traveling on the road, just trying to reach out and stay in touch with you and say, hey, it's been a terrible, crazy, busy week. Hadn't even been home in my shop, and I'll share some of the things I'm doing on the road. All right, see you soon. Bye.